Here I have Nokia 2.1 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to connect your device by using micro USB cable. So this cable is connected to my computer, but it could be also connected to your charger. Let's just connect your device and let's wait a couple of seconds. Let's wait until the battery saver icon pops up, the battery charging icon of course. This is the battery charging icon, so now let's just start holding power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, and keep holding those keys. Let's keep holding, let's just wait until the Android no command robot pops up. Excellent, this is the no command robot, so now you have to start holding power, and while holding power, press volume up once. And this is the Android recovery. Now you can disconnect your device from your micro USB cable, and here you can navigate by using both volume keys. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power key to confirm the operation. Right now the device is formatting the cache files, so this operation won't affect your personal files, it just removes the temporary cache files. As soon as Android recovery system pops up again on the screen, press power key to reboot system now. Let's wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.